those who don't know about rum, it is the most approachable spirit in the world. It reflects the passion and spirit of the people who make it. And rum has become a part of my DNA. And that's what makes me so special. I enjoy rum on any occasion. Tonight I'm having a fabulous daiquiri, but I can also have our Appleton Estate 21, simply neat. And wishing everyone a wonderful time tonight.
Who was the young Joy growing up before obviously you got introduced to rum and chemistry and things like that? What were you like as a child, and what was your interest in things before you discovered rum?
Well, my interest as a child was chemistry. I fell in love with chemistry because of my chemistry teacher, and I went to university hoping to become a medical doctor. But then I couldn't deal with trauma, and so I continued along the path of chemistry. Then I became a lecturer in chemistry and decided I wanted to get some industry experience. Joined Tia Maria as a research chemist. Red Navy was next door. Things looked very happy over there. Lots of activities, so I decided to send my resume. They called me in for an interview, offered me the job as chief chemist. That's when I met the previous master blender. That's when I fell in love with rum, and my whole life changed. My most vivid memory about rum was the first time I went into the previous master blender's tasting room, and I tasted a 10-year-old pot still. And I could not believe how sophisticated, complex this rum was. Because before, I never drank rum, before joining the company. And I had this total misconception that rum was just this harsh spirit that you would just drink and, have fun, but that it could be sophisticated and premium. And that's when my whole vision of rum changed. And when I realized I could apply my chemistry, my knowledge of fermentation, distillation, and blending, that's when everything became one whole package. If it's your first experience with rum, you should have it mixed, either in a cocktail or with your favorite mixer. Then when you get acclimatized to that, you're going to trade up to sipping rums, where you can enjoy the rums though for their complexity, beautiful flavors. But don't go deep into sipping if you've never had rum before. Enjoy it as a mixer, get experience with the flavors, then trade up. Thank you so much, and I'm very proud to have paved the way for other women in the rum industry, and we're having many more master blenders now, and I'm happy for that.